Grand Canyon North Rim.
This is very
North Rim
exciting.
Visitor Services. Our photo ID. Here's the check-in for Grand Canyon North Rim. Nobody there.
Nobody's there.
Nobody's there. They went home for the day.
Oh, we have a little hard to see, but they're out there. Coming in a little bit better here, maybe.
Look at how many.
Oh, everybody's stopping to watch them down
I
there.
guess they travel.
Oh, and there's some calves out there
Yeah.
in that herd. Oh my goodness. This makes me so happy.
Oh yes, look at the little ones.
Yeah, there's the bison out there.
What is the fencing for? Look at them. They're just sitting
I'm
there.
guessing the fencing is like a research plot. A lot of times National Park Service, they'll block off areas of vegetation.
There's the bison out there. We're going to go up and get a closer look at him here. We got 3 or 4 of them right here in front of us, or alongside the road, and the other ones are up in that area here. So we're in North Rim of the Grand Canyon, June 12th, 2021. It's about 4:45 in the afternoon, and come to see the bison herd, and there's more up past that fence up in that area up there. All right, here you go.
It's just like a box ice cream store. There's not much to it. Not right now, at least. All right, folks.
Well, this is my cabin. It's actually a double. Other people are staying in the other half, and there's a dividing door. And basically, they can hear everything I do. I can hear everything they do. But it's North Rim of the Grand Canyon. Looking at over there. The main building is over there. And there's some more cabins on the other side. And we go in mine. I'm in 344. So it's got the, keyless entry. It's kind of rugged. No air conditioning, but you got your beds, you got a table, you got lights, and a ceiling fan. Hey, that's okay. Fireplace, and what looks like a gas heater, I'm sure for the winter time. And do have a bathroom here, so all the necessities of life provided for you. And in here, we got another room. We got coffee cups, but no coffee maker. So I don't know, it's maybe for drinking, I guess. You want to hang up stuff? You got your ironing board, whatever. That goes into the other room. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All kind of light switches on the wall. I don't know what they're for. Oh, whoa! I want to turn that guy on. That's a light. I don't know what that is. It says night light, and that doesn't do anything. So that's a bad boy there. That's just a light. All right, we got a window here, but it doesn't open. So we get all steamed up. Okay, so that's my room. I got 2 beds, 1 person here. Okay, back out. It's late in the afternoon. It's almost 6 p.m. So that's why it's not as much light right now here. Okay. Well, it's a little bit in the shade, but we're at the North Rim of the Grand Canyon just before dinner. There's a little lookout. You can walk down there and look out over the canyon, which you could probably do at another time. But mostly in shade now, so you can't see very much. Well, there's a little bit better view from up top here. So looking down, it's June 12th, 2021, 6 p.m. Grand Canyon North Rim. We're waiting to go to dinner. And I'd like to get a couple of drinks here first here, so we'll see. But there it is, all down here waiting outside.